Mga laro, Sabado't Linggo, dito sa OSMBL nagsasalo. March Sabado Nights, tara na't maglaro. March Sabado Nights, buong pamilya'y kasalo. March Sabado Nights, angat ang antas ng laro. March Sabado Nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah! Dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's go!
March Sabado Nights Basketball League is brought to you by Kaiju, Fit 21, H&H Shen's Love, Avatar Sneakers Apparel at iba pa, FMSR Corp, MO Freight, Easy Gone, Nicholson's Plain Shirts and Prints, the official outfitter of OSNBL, R&J Project Scoots, Inner Kings. OSNBL, angat ang antas ng laro.
March Sabado Nights, angat ang antas ng laro. March Sabado Nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah! Dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's go!
Ty pump fakes, goes in and lifted right. Kyrie Soto with the hook shot. Well, Kyrie the Dream making his announcement here in the game.
March Sabado Nights, angat ang antas ng laro. March Sabado Nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah! Dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's go!
Ty pump fakes, goes in and lifted right. Kyrie Soto with the hook shot. Well, Kyrie the Dream making his announcement here in the game.
March Sabado Nights, angat ang antas ng laro. March Sabado Nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah! Dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's go! Mga laro, Sabado't Linggo, dito sa OSMBL nagsasalo. O March Sabado Nights, tara na't maglaro. O March Sabado Nights, buong pamilya'y kasalo. O March Sabado Nights, angat ang antas ng laro. O March Sabado Nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah! Dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's go!
Omart Sabado Nights Basketball League is brought to you by Kaiju, Fit 21, H&H Shen's Love, Abitar Sneakers Apparel at iba pa, FMSR Corp, Emol Freight, Easy Gone, Nicholson's Plain Shirts and Prints, the official outfitter of OSNBL, R&J Project Scoots, Inner Kings. OSNBL, angat ang antas ng laro.
O March Sabado Nights, angat ang antas ng laro. O March Sabado Nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah! Dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's go!
Ty pump fakes. Goes in and lifted right. Kyrie Soto with the hook shot. Well, Kyrie the Dream making his announcement here in the game.
O March Sabado Nights, angat ang antas ng laro. O March Sabado Nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah! Dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's go!
Ty pump fakes. Goes in and lifted right. Kyrie Soto with the hook shot. Well, Kyrie the Dream making his announcement here in the game.
Oh, March Sabado nights, angat ang antas ng laro. Oh, March Sabado nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah! Dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's go! Mga laro, Sabado't Linggo, dito sa OSMBL nagsasalo. Oh, March Sabado nights, tara na't maglaro. Oh, March Sabado nights, buong pamilya'y kasalo. Oh, March Sabado nights, angat ang antas ng laro. Oh, March Sabado nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah! Dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's go!
Omart Sabado Nights Basketball League is brought to you by Kaiju, Fit 21, H&H Shen's Love, Avatar Sneakers Apparel at iba pa, FMSR Corp, MO Freight, Easy Gone, Nicholson's Plain Shirts and Prints, the official outfitter of OSNBL, R&J Project Scoots, Inner Kings. OSNBL, angat ang antas ng laro.
Oh, March Sabado nights, angat ang antas ng laro. Oh, March Sabado nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah! Dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's go!
High pump fakes. Goes in and lifted right. Kyrie Soto with the hook shot. Well, Kyrie the Dream making his announcement here in the game.
Oh, March Sabado nights, angat ang antas ng laro. Oh, March Sabado nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah! Dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's go!
High pump fakes. Goes in and lifted right. Kyrie Soto with the hook shot. Well, Kyrie the Dream making his announcement here in the game.
Oh, March Sabado nights, angat ang antas ng laro. Oh, March Sabado nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah! Dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's go! Mga laro, Sabado't Linggo, dito sa OSMBL nagsasalo. Oh, March Sabado nights, tara na't maglaro. Oh, March Sabado nights, buong pamilya'y kasalo. Oh, March Sabado nights, angat ang antas ng laro. Oh, March Sabado nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah! Dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's go!
Omart Sabado Nights Basketball League is brought to you by Kaiju, Fit 21, H&H Shen's Love, Abitar Sneakers Apparel at iba pa, FMSR Corp, Emol Freight, Easy Gone, Nicholson's Plain Shirts and Prints, the official outfitter of OSNBL, R&J Project Scoots, Inner Kings. OSNBL, angat ang antas ng laro.
Oh, March Sabado nights, angat ang antas ng laro. Oh, March Sabado nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah! Dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's go!
High pump fakes. Goes in and lifted right. Kyrie Soto with the hook shot. Well, Kyrie the Dream making his announcement here in the game.
Oh, March Sabado nights, angat ang antas ng laro. Oh, March Sabado nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah! Dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's go!
pump fakes. Goes in and lifted right. Kyrie Soto with the hook shot. Well, Kyrie the Dream making his announcement here in the game.
Oh, March Sabado nights, angat ang antas ng laro. Oh, March Sabado nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah! Dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's go! Mga laro, Sabado't Linggo, dito sa OSMBL nagsasalo. Oh, March Sabado nights, tara na't maglaro. Oh, March Sabado nights, buong pamilya'y kasalo. Oh, March Sabado nights, angat ang antas ng laro. Oh, March Sabado nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah! Dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's go!
Omart Sabado Nights Basketball League is brought to you by Kaiju, Fit 21, H&H Shen's Love, Avatar Sneakers Apparel at iba pa, FMSR Corp, Emol Freight, Easy Gone, Nicholson's Plain Shirts and Prints, the official outfitter of OSNBL, R&J Project Scoots, Inner Kings. OSNBL, angat ang antas ng laro.
Oh, March Sabado nights, angat ang antas ng laro. Oh, March Sabado nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah! Dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's go!
High pump fakes. Goes in and lifted right. Kyrie Soto with the hook shot. Well, Kyrie the Dream making his announcement here in the game.
Oh, March Sabado nights, angat ang antas ng laro. Oh, March Sabado nights, dito magsama-sama tayo. Dito magsama-sama tayo. Yeah! Dito magsama-sama tayo. Let's go!
High pump fakes. Goes in and lifted right. Kyrie Soto.
Magandang gabi sa ating online viewers. Sorry, walang sound kanina. Substitution. Ayan na, mga viewers natin, may sounds na tayo. Huwag na kayo magreklamo.
May reklamo ba?
Oo, si Agatha, si King. Kaya reklamo eh.
Sub tayo, dead ball sub.
Dead ball sub. Substitution.
Mike, foul.
Sino?
Mike.
Foul on Michael Magsambol. First personal foul, first team foul. Sino tumira?
Here.
3. Air de la Cruz 3.
32-28, tama.
32-20. Makoy, libreng-libre. For the shot is good. Makoy Vergara. Air de la Cruz for 3 again. Is good. Air de la Cruz 3. Buena si Kerr. Allen. Pass to Al. Al Vergara fix. Pass to Allen. Allen zigzag. Pagsambol for 3. So good. Rebound by Kent. Marcelo. Stolen by Allen. Dead ball sub. Al Vergara for 3. No good. Kerr for the rebound. Pass to Marcelo. Marcelo nagbaba. RJ for the shot is good. RJ Villegas. 37-30. 7 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Magsambol, pass to Vergara. Yung referee nakaharang. Vergara for the shot.
Sub tayo, dead
No
ball.
good. Sino foul? Who's foul, rep? Foul on number 19, Al Vergara. First personal foul, second team foul. Substitution.
Sub.
Ervin Soto, pass to San Jose, fix. Back to Marcelo. Marcelo nag-hesitate. Umikot, tumira. No good. Rebound by Buraga. Buraga. Harassed by 2, Alpas.
18.
Foul on number 18, Kent Marcelo.
First.
His first personal foul, first team foul. Makoy, pass to Al Vergara. Vergara back to Makoy. Makoy for 3. No good. Rebound by Cortez. Cortez to San Jose. San Jose. Threading the needle. Soto. Sino yan?
Chan.
Sean Cortez.
Trap ladder.
Assist by Ervin Soto. 5 minutes 56 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Buraga for the shot, no good. Cortez. Pass to Barak, substitution daw. Substitution. Ay, naku po, patay tayo sa'yo.
Nangyari ba?
Sige ba, sige ba. Sige ba, okay lang yan. Eto, okay na yan, okay na. $39.30. Alpas. Ba, tungo muna ng konti. Tungo muna ng konti.
9 seconds.
9 seconds to shoot. Ah. Sino pre?
23. Richard.
Foul on number 23, Richard De Leon.
Third.
His first personal foul, third team foul.
First shot is good.
Salamat partner. Ano masabi mo kay Abet partner?
Walang bitaw. Pitang yan ang mga alin. Ayop ka. Pasang-pasa.
Pasok. Isa lang, no? 1 of 2.
Isa lang.
Celino for 3. Good, Celino, 3!
Hindi mo naman ako na-highlights. May technical tayo. May technical.
Sino, pre?
Hindi lang nakailaw.
Sino?
Richard.
Nasaan?
Nakailaw.
Ah, sige. Hindi, sabihin mo sa referee, pre. Sinabi mo na. Sino, pre?
Foul number 19.
Foul on number 19, Al Vergara.
Second, fourth.
His second personal foul. 14th foul.
Technical tayo. Technical foul.
Sino, pre?
Si Richard.
Technical foul on Richard De Leon for wearing accessories.
Penalty na sila.
Penalty. Sabihin niyo sa referee. Referee magsasabi sa amin.
Hindi pa, fourth pa lang, fourth.
Hindi, yung kanina.
Tapos technical.
Nag-technical, di ba? Personal yon. Penalty na.
Ano lang yun?
Penalty na.
Technical lang yun. Free throw. First shot is good.
Penalty na. 2 of 2 by Ervin Soto. Ex-teammate Al Vergara, nagbababa ng bola, pass to Makoy. Lumalayo ng konti ang Alpas, pero ganito sila lagi eh. Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin. Mamaya pa yan magkakatotoo.
Grabe ka naman.
Sorry. Real talk lang, real talk.
Ipasok mo pa yun.
Jer De La Cruz for 3. No good. Rebound by Richie. Nagbababa ng bola. Al. Pass to Makoy. Makoy. Cross is over. May nakitang foul kay foul on number 1. Jer De La Cruz.
First, second.
First personal foul. Second team foul. Ba, tungo mo pa nga ba ng konti? Yan, okay na.
JL, San Jose foul.
Foul on number 05. JL San Jose.
First, third.
His first personal foul. Third team foul.
3 free throw.
3 free throws.
Buti wala sa Celino na nakaraan ah. Swerte yun.
Sablay ang pangalawa ni Sir Celino.
Kala ko isa pang shot.
1 of 3 by Sir Celino. Momentum breaker. What a block by Makoy. Recovered by Kerr. Pass to Shan. Pinasa kay Marcelo. Miscommunication pero recovered. Kerr De La Cruz. Pass to Marcelo. Pass to Soto for the 3. No good. Rebound by Makoy. Harass by Marcelo. Makoy nagbababa ng bola. Makoy stolen by JL. JL libreng-libre yan. JL San Jose. Balik sa 10 ang lamang ng Alphas. Dead ball sab. Makoy. Zigzag move. Makoy. Sino foul? Who's foul, rep? Foul on number 18, Kent Marcelo.
Second, fourth.
Second personal foul, warning for penalty. 2 shots for Makoy Vergara.
First shot is good. Second shot is good.
2 of 2 by Makoy Vergara. Magandang gabi sa ating live viewers. Happy Friday sa inyo. Johnny, sabi ni Iking, behind the back rate naman dyan. RJ for the shot, no good. Celino for the rebound. Nabitawan ng Bagya. Naghahanap ng kakampi, Buraga. Nagbababa, zigzag move. Stolen by San Jose. Foul number 9. Celino.
First personal foul penalty.
First personal foul penalty. 2 shots. 2 shots for San Jose.
Okay lang, okay lang. Kyle,
Ayun, pare-pareho tayo. May sumpa yata yung DL eh. Pasok, pasok. One of two by JL San Jose. Nagbibinata tayo pag nasa DLA tayo eh. Celino!
38 tayo.
45-38. Rebound by Buraga. Buraga pinasa kay Allen. Allen nagbababa ng bola. Allen umikot. Allen bumig. Allen tumira. Allen Vergara! 5 na lang ang lamang ng Alphas. Ito tumatawa dyan, boy.
Kay kasi.
Marcelo. Pass to San Jose. San Jose pass to Johnny Javier fakes. Johnny Javier for the shot. It's no good. Oh no. Mukhang tapilok si brother. Makoy for the shot. It's good. Makoy Vergara. Technical timeout. Tapilok, brother. Magandang gabi kay Wendy. Happy birthday kay Bilog. Aray ko po.
Pidan mo, ano? Tas.
Ay, puti. Dito naman ito mo. Ba, sorry, tungo mo lang konti. Sige pa ba? Sige ba, okay na yan. Mamaya na lang, mamaya ayusin natin. De La Cruz for 3. No good. Rebound by Ebet. Allen to Celino. Celino for the shot is good. Good Celino. Isa na lang ang lamang ng Oilers. 45-44. 1 minute 20 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Magandang gabi sa'yo, Michael Magsambol.
Ang gabi.
Sean Cortez. Tatlo ulit ang lamang.
Fire!
Celino, nalibre pero nag-hesitate. Pass to Pagkanlungan. Pagkanlungan. Pass to Allen. Allen back to Celino. Celino to Buraga. Buraga for the shot. No good. Rebound by Pagkanlungan pero nabitawan. Foul on number 7, Evet Pagkanlungan.
Penalty.
His first personal foul penalty. May tagilid lang pero mas okay na ako sa kanina. First shot is good by JL San Jose. Magandang gabi sa ating live viewers. Second shot, 2 of 2 tayo kay JL San Jose. Within striking distance ang Oilers. 48 to 44. 38 seconds remaining. Albergara 3! At ganon-ganon na lang. Ay, isa na lang. Ay, dalawa pala, sorry. Dalawa na lang ang lamang. San Jose fakes. San Jose pass to Marcelo for the jump shot. No good. Rebound by RJ. RJ for the shot is good. RJ Villegas. 8 seconds remaining. 5 seconds. What a play! No good. End of the second quarter. Score 51-47. Lamang ang Alphas.
Nag-ano ko dito eh.
Nakaganon siya eh. So,
Pakaliwa ba? Pakaliwa.
baka... Hindi. Ito. Teka.
Nahimik ka abit.
Teka, pahinga lang saglit.
Pahingay mo naman saglit yung ano.
Manakit. Ha? Paano manakit?
Tangin na mo alin.
Game?
Uy!
Game.
PG-13!
Game tayo.
Kinalig na rin ka sa live!
Ako na naman.
Third quarter! (51-47). Third quarter, kalamangan ng Alphas. Kerr. Pass to Marcelo for 3. Kent Marcelo, 3! Rebound by Marcelo. Marcelo. Nagbababa. Marcelo to De La Cruz. Sean Cortez. Balik sa Siam ang kalamangan ng Alphas. Albergs, pass to Allen. Harassed by Kerr. Buraga. Running shot is good. George Buraga. Plaza. Buraga. Buraga lays up. No good. Ervin Soto. Warning for delaying the game. Ervin Soto.
Score 58-49.
Albergs pass to Allenbergs. Allenbergs for 3, no good. Rebound by Soto. Soto pass to Cortez. Cortez lays up, blocked by Allen Vergara. Same ball. Irving for 3. No good. 58-49. Within striking distance pa rin ang Oilers. 7 minutes 50 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Albergara nagbababa ng bola. Albergs pinasa kay Plaza. Plaza to Buraga. Buraga to Vergara. Vergara back to Plaza for the shot. No good. Rebound by Soto. Soto Hinages kay San Jose. San Jose ang magmamadali. Cortez for the shot. John Cortez! Timeout daw sila. Basket timeout. Allen Vergara for the shot. Oh! And one by George Buraga. Who's foul rep? Who's foul rep? Foul on Kent Marcelo. His third personal foul, first team foul. Bonus shot for George Buraga. Pasok ang bonus shot. Timeout pa rin, sir. Care, no good. Rebound by Makoy. Makoy Hinages. Stolen by San Jose. San Jose. Nagbababa. Harass by Buraga. Marcelo. Marcelo nag-hesitate. May screen kay De La Cruz. Stolen by Buraga. Nagbaba ng bola. Buraga. For the shot is good. Joey Buraga. Ayan na ba? Ayan na ba? Abangan. Dead ball sab. Soto. Dominant. Irving Soto. Foul on number 66, George Buraga. His third personal foul, first team foul. Hindi na tayo magkakamali ngayon.
60-54 score natin ha. Bonus shot.
Bonus shot for Irving Soto. Sablay. Al Vergara for 3, no good. Rebound by Irvin. San Jose nagbababa. San Jose, Pinoy step. Johnny Javier. Johnny Javier. Lumalayo ng konti. Recovered from a minor injury. Makoy to Al. Al to Allen. Allen for 3. No good. Pierre De La Cruz nagbababa. San Jose. San Jose. Pinoy step. Block by Makoy. Timeout. Wala. Timeout. Timeout. Oilers.
Dalawa na lang timeout nila hanggang fourth quarter.
2 timeouts remaining for Oilers.
Second half.
64-54, 10 puntos na kalamangan for Alphas. Back to the ball game.
Naglagan nga pala. Kaya pala rin yan.
We're back to our 5 and 6 matchup. Ang matatalo, eliminated. At ang mananalo, John Cortez. Ang mananalo kakalabanin ng matatalo sa next game. Allen, naghahanap ng papasahan. Al Vergara for 3. No good. Rebound by Makoy. Makoy Vergara. 10 ulit. 5 minutes remaining in the third quarter.
Dead ball.
Dead ball sub.
Huwag ka magalit. Ito ka galit ka.
JL San Jose. Johnny Javier. Sabi ni King, mag-backread ka daw. No good. Rebound by Allen. Allen nagbababa ng bola, nagmamadali. Allen for the shot. Foul on number 1, Kier De La Cruz.
Second.
His second personal foul, third team foul.
Second.
Second team foul pa lang. 2 shots for Allen Vergara.
Wala pa.
Wala Wala pa. Wait lang, ha. Pasok. Mamaya daw.
Pangalawang free throw po.
That's my man! Vergara, that's my man!
Substitution. Sam, ulit.
57 tayo.
Struggling to get back in the ball game ang Oilers. Three on.
Oh.
Pierre de la Cruz, 3! Same ball. Pierre de la Cruz. Buraga for the shot. Foul. Foul on number 04, RJ Villegas. His first personal foul, 13 foul. 2 shots for Joey Buraga. 71-57. Maalat ang Oilers. Mukhang nang kulang sa oil ang Oilers. Three minutes, 50 seconds remaining in the third. Kahit hindi basa sa live, sabihin ko na lang. Stolen by RJ. RJ, recovered pala kay RJ. Cortez for the shot. No good. Rebound by Al. Albergs, binasa kay Bert Celino. Celino. Nabitawan. Same ball. Celino 3!
Sampo na lang.
10 points. Ang kalamangan. Timeout Barok.
Advanced technical sa next game, right?
Ang sipag niya abot. Malamig na.
What a move by RJ! Sablay tayo dyan. Celino for the rebound. Allen Vergara nagbaba ng bola. Allen. Same ball. Substitution. San Jose fakes. San Jose for the shot. Yeah, San Jose.
Ano, Kier.
Foul on number 9, Bert Celino. Second personal foul, second team foul.
Second tayo ah.
Ba. RJ, pass to Marcelo. Marcelo fix. Marcelo. Aras by Al. Back to JL. Umikot. JL, tumira. Ay, pinasa pala. Marcelo for the shot is good. Yes, Marcelo! Al Vergara, pass to Makoy, pass to Celino. Celino may bitaw ngayon. Buraga fakes, Buraga for the shot. Nagpasabit kay RJ. Follow number 04, RJ Villegas.
Second fourth.
His second personal foul, 4th team foul.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty, 2 shots for Joey Buraga.
75-61. First shot is good.
75-62. Rebound by RJ. Marcelo dribbling the ball. Pass to San Jose. Back to Marcelo. De La Cruz to Cortez. 10 seconds to shoot. Marcelo. Ang ganda ng pasahan. RJ. Bumomba. RJ. Nabitawan. 3 seconds to shoot. Tumira si Kerr. No good. Good, 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 good. Allen Vergara nagbababa. Allen for the layup is good. Allen Vergara. RJ stolen by Makoy. Sino pre?
Kent.
Foul on number 18, Kent Marcelo.
Penalty, penalty.
Penalty. Ilan na si Kent?
Fourth.
Kent Marcelo warning for graduation.
Daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
Apat.
Red ball sa kanin. Dalawang team. Penalty na.
Baka dinadagdagan mo ha.
Ako, attentive ako na door. Attentive.
Sabi na assist ako.
Wala sa akin, alis na kayo.
First shot for Makoy is good. 10 na lang alamang.
Sa akin niya.
2 of 2 by Makoy. Siyam na lang tayo. Substitution.
66-75.
75-66. 1 minute and 12 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. San Jose, pass to Sean Cortez. Back to San Jose. To Soto. Soto harassed by Buraga. Twin Towers nasa loob ng Alphas. De La Cruz wala. Allen Vergara nagbababa. Allen for the shot is good. Allen Vergara.
Pag ginusto talaga ni Allen,
Ano nangyari? Wala, outside lang. 40 seconds to shoot. Ay, 40 seconds remaining pala. Sorry. San Jose, pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Stolen by Allen. What a ball game by Allen Vergara. Allen for the layup is good. Allen Vergara. Lumalapit ng unti-unti ang Oilers. De La Cruz, easy lang daw, sabi ni Kerr. 12 seconds.
75-70. Tama. Niran kayo ni Allen eh.
5 seconds. San Jose, pass to Cortez for the jump shot. No good. End of the third quarter. Ang ating score, 75-70. Bakit 8-8 nandito? Kay. Thank you, brother.
Ayaw mo?
Fourth quarter ng ating laglagan ball game. Masisira na kaya ang sumpa ng Alphas? Tignan natin. Celino for 3, no good. Rebound by Kier De La Cruz. De La Cruz nagbaba ng bola. De La Cruz biglang pumukol ng 3, no good.
Black ball.
Fourth quarter.
47 plus 23. 70 tama. 51 plus 24.
Allen, pass to Al. Al. Back to Allen. Pass to Makoy. Makoy. Fakes. Makoy drives. Makoy umikot. Pass to Allen. Allen for 3. Nag-hesitate. Celino, may bitaw. No good. No good pa din. Soto for the rebound. De La Cruz nagbababa ng bola. De La Cruz to San Jose. San Jose setting up the play. Zone defense by the Oilers. Cortez for the shot. No good. Rebound by Soto for the shot. No good pa din. Allen Vergara. Pass to Celino. Celino for the shot. Wala. Allen.
Foul on number 5, San Jose.
Second, first.
His second personal foul, first team foul.
Makoy. Pass to Al. Al Vergara for 3. No good. In and out. Soto secures the rebound. Pass to San Jose. San Jose nagbaba ng bola. Stolen by Allen. Allen, running shot. No good. Nailang ng konti kay Soto. JL. Pass to Kier. Kier. Pass to RJ. RJ.
Dami na palang tao.
Sino pre? Sino?
RJ.
RJ Villegas.
77-70.
May pagturo pang nalalaman. Magandang gabi sa ating live viewers at sa ating live audience dito sa Divine Light Academy.
Goal.
Good Celino.
Five-point lead by the Alphas sa ating fourth quarter. 7 minutes 25 seconds remaining. Soto for 3.
Irving Soto, 3.
Vergara. Wala. Rebound offensive by Makoy. Allen to Vergara. To Al Vergara. Nalilito ako. Joey, no good. Basket timeout ang Oilers. Basket timeout.
Time out, Oilers.
Isa na lang.
Isa na lang.
One timeout remaining for Oilers.
Sa Alpas, tatlo pa. Alpas. Tatlo ang timeout pa.
Oilers, isa na lang ang timeout nyo. Magandang gabi sa mga live audience natin sa DLA. We are 15,364. Audience attendance. Maraming salamat sa suporta sa OSNBL.
Back to the ball game sa ating laglagan ball game. Celino. Muntik magawa ni Marcelo. Same ball. 6 minutes 30 seconds remaining. Celino free for 3. Inala ni Luwa.
Makoy Vergara.
JL San Jose. Pass to Johnny. Captain Johnny. Johnny for the shot. No good. Rebound by. Stolen by Johnny. Johnny for the shot is good.
Johnny Javier.
Makoy. Pass to Alberts. Allen. Pass to Makoy. Makoy hesitates for 3. Drives.
Makoy Vergara.
Kerr pass to Marcelo. Setting up the play by De La Cruz. No good. Rebound by Allen. Allen nagbababa ng bola. Allen for the... Sino pre?
Foul on number 1, Pierre De La Cruz. His third personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots for Allen Vergara.
Oily ang Oilers.
Madulas ang bola sa kanila.
1 of 2 by Allen Vergara. 84 to 78. Ay, 77 pala, sorry. 77, 77. Johnny Javier, muntik magawan. RJ, no good. Johnny for the rebound. Blocked by Makoy. Albergara nagbaba. Pinasa kay Allen. Allen. Nabitawan. Allen pa rin. Wala pa rin yan. Allen harass by dalawang Alphas. Albergs. Albergs. Pass to Buraga for the shot is good.
Joey Buraga.
Grabing bakbakan.
Wow!
Dead ball tayo, dead ball sub.
Dead ball sub.
Allen, Kerr, ilalim muna, Kerr. Ilalim.
5 seconds to shoot. RJ for the shot. No good. Rebound. Good, 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 good. Good, good. Four minutes remaining. Kerr De La Cruz. Inages. Marcelo to Javier. Fakes. Javier. Ano sir?
Warning tayo ha.
Warning for bench decorum for Oilers.
Sino, ano? May ball ba?
Wala. Rep! Time out.
Time out!
Alphas.
Mainit ang mga tao. Ayoko ng ganito.
Pre, remind. Isa time out, dalawa time out.
1 timeout left.
Oilers.
1 timeout left for Oilers.
Dalawa, dito.
2 timeouts left for Alphas. 3 minutes and 48 seconds remaining in the fourth and final quarter sa ating laglagan ball game. Magandang gabi, DLA. Back to the ball game.
Five-point lead. Within striking distance lang yan. Ang Oilers na medyo oily ngayong gabi. Ang sumpa ng Alphas, matitibag na ba? Let's see and find out. Vergara pass to Celino. Celino free for 3. Celino no good. Rebound by Soto. Soto San Jose. San Jose to Cortez. Cortez pinasa kay Kerr for 3. Wala. Rebound by Allen. Allen nagbababa ng bola. Allen did not hesitate. Pero sablay. San Jose to Cortez. Cortez Wala pa rin. 2 minutes 58 seconds remaining. 5 seconds to shoot. Hindi yata sila aware. Pero tinira ni Kerr.
Kerr de la Cruz 3! What a shot by Kerr!
Albergs pass to Allen. Allen for 3. No good. Tinapek palabas ni Yodge. Yodge for the shot.
Yodge Buraga!
What a ball game. 6 lang. 2 minutes 25 seconds remaining. Soto. Pass to Kerr. Back to Soto. Soto pass to Cortez. Harassed by Allen. 9 seconds to shoot. Umikot. Sablay. Sino foul, rep?
What's foul, rep?
14.
Foul.
Allen, 14, number 14, foul. Daw. First.
Bola.
Ana.
Foul on number 14, Allen Vergara.
First.
First personal foul, first team foul.
2 shots.
First shot is good. 81 tayo.
One of 2 lang for Sean Cortez.
Dead ball tayo. Dead ball sa ba?
Albergs for 3.
Last 2 minutes.
Stolen by Makoy. Buraga, pass to Albergs. Binigay kay Allen. Allen stops. Allen for 3.
Allen Vergara 3.
What a ball game. 4 na lang.
84.
84-88. 1 minute 34. Soto secures the ball. 10 seconds to shoot para sa Alphas. Sean, binigay kay Soto. May nakitang foul. Sino?
Number ano?
Foul on number substitution.
Fourth, second.
Foul on number 66, George Buraga. Fourth personal foul, warning to graduate.
Second team.
Second team foul.
4 na.
Apat. Sure yan. Totoo yan. Puta.
Soto. 12 seconds to shoot. Stolen! Stolen! Allen Vergara, sumigsag. Allen tumira. May foul!
Foul on number 1, Kerr de la Cruz.
Buzzer, graduate.
Kerr de la Cruz. 5 fouls.
Ay, apat. Sorry.
Sorry. Uy! Wala pa. Apat. Ito. Sorry.
Apat.
Tao lang, nagkakamali din ha.
Bala sa GCL.
2 shots for Allen. Crucial free throws. Is good. 3 na lang ang lamang. Pasok. Second shot for Allen. Crucial free throws. Second shot is good. 2-point lead by Alphas. 1 minute 5 seconds remaining. Soto secures the rebound. 1 minute in the fourth quarter. Huli ni Allen. Allen Vergara nagbaba ng bola. Allen pinasa kay Albergs. Allen for 3.
Allen Vergara 3. Time out, Alphas.
What a shot by Allen Vergara. At ganun-ganun na lang ay lamang na ng isa ang Alphas. 47.8 seconds to shoot. Ay, remaining pala. Woo! Ito na naman ang sumpa ng Alphas. My God! Magandang gabi sa inyo, DLA! Sa ating 15,436 fans na nandito.
Online yung iba.
Hindi, yung iba nasa online. Work from home tayo, work from home. What a ball game! Magandang gabi rin sa ating live viewers. Back to the ball game! Isa. Crucial pare. Focus. San Jose may tanan ng bola. San Jose screen by Soto. San Jose pass to Kerr. Kerr harassed by Allen. Same ball. 9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. Camera ba? 5 seconds. Cortez for the shot. No good. Allen nagwawa ng bola. Allen. No good. Foul number 5, JL San Jose.
Third, fourth.
Timeout isa.
Isa na lang timeout nyo. Tig-isa kayo.
Third personal foul, warning for penalty.
Isa na lang dito ha. Timeout.
Tag-isa.
One timeout remaining for both teams.
Timeout kayo pag pumasket.
One timeout remaining for both teams.
Ben, isa na lang timeout nyo.
Two shots for Allen Vergara.
What a ball game by Allen Vergara. Masterful performance.
May grabe ka mag-OT.
Grabe. Walang kaba-kaba. Allen Vergara sinks the first free throw unfaced. My God. 2-point lead by Oilers. 2 of 2 by Allen. Babalik ba ang Alphas? 20 seconds remaining. Sean Cortez. Sean Tucker. Stolen by Buraga. What a steal.
Buzzer, graduate. Sigurado na.
There de la Cruz, 5 fouls.
Penalty.
Penalty.
Penalty na? Wala pa.
Penalty na ako.
Penalty na.
Penalty
Penalty.
na. Penalty na sa akin, Brad.
2 shots for Joey Buraga.
What a ball game.
Overtime pa ba yan? Alanganin na.
Secures the lead by Buraga. 4. Maliban na lang kung may 4 points dito. At ganon-ganon na lang ay 5 na ang lamang ng Alphas. San Jose. Pass to Marcelo for 3. No good. Rebound by Yodge.
End of the ball game.
At ayun na nga, kahit na natalo at eliminated na ang Alphas, magpapatuloy ang season ng Oilers waiting for their match-up.
Sino ang player natin?
Si Allen Vergara. Allen Vergara, picture lang. Len, picture.